Hello, a very good morning, students. Today I am going to start. Already I have given the chapter to you. Now I am showing the video. In the video, it shows this to show that solid liquids cannot be compressed, but gases can be compressed. Today I have given the lecture of this thing, but now in a video I am telling to you because some students are not seeing the video and some students are not taking the Zoom classes. So first of all, we have taken the 3 syringes together. 1 2 3 syringes we have taken. You know the back side which we are pushing, that is said to be the knob. It is the knob of the syringe. So in the first syringe we have put it the common salt, that is NaCl, and A positive and Cl is negative. If we are talking about NaCl, Na is cation and Cl is anion. In a second one syringe I have put it the water, that is a liquid. In a third one I doesn't put anything. Means is this, when I am not putting anything, it means in a syringe air is present. Anything, any compound, any element, if it is empty, it means what is that? Air gas is there. Now up see the nozzle of this, then where we are putting the needle na, that is the nozzle. On the nozzle one side we have put it this cotton, so that the common salt will not go out, water will not go out, air will not go out. So in this one like this you can write it in your copy. As I have make my notes in this way. You have put it the Vaseline over the piston and so on. Now I am telling to you the observation. What is the observation will continue for this first syringe. Now see, the piston of the first syringe containing common salt does not move down on putting weight. Means is this, see this syringe, when we are pushing from the upside, the syringe, the knob is not going downside. Why it is so? It is so because this shows that in applying pressure, the volume of common salt in the syringe does not get reduced. Means is this, volume is not reduced, as well as pressure is also not reduced. This means that on applying pressure, the common salt does not get compressed. Solid does not compress on applying the pressure. This is we are telling about the first one. Now we are telling about the second one, piston of the second one, in which the water is present. In this one also it is not to go downside. It means it cannot be compressed. When the water is not compressed, it means it is a reduced pressure. When the pressure is reduced, compression is very small volume, or we can say a liquid does not compressed on applying pressure. Okay, next third one, you are seeing the diagram that in a third syringe air is present. Now very nicely we should know, in a first syringe knob is not going downside, piston is not going downside. Second syringe piston is not going, but in a third syringe the piston is going downside because air is present. Now the question arises here, why the piston is going downside? So it is shows that on applying pressure, the volume of air in the syringe is reduced. Okay, when we are applying the pressure, the volume of the air is reduced. That's why we can say gas can be compressed easily by applying the pressure. And this already I have completed diffusion. Diffusion, you all know, the spreading out and mixing of a substance with another substance. Means two substances are mixing together and we have to spread them. We have taken a one test tube. In this test tube put it a bromine vapor, that is red brown in color. Then I have put it the second test tube over it. The second test tube is empty. If it is empty, it means air is present. Now what we will see after the 2-3 seconds, in a second test tube also the bromine gases come. Means is this, it also form a red brown color. So what we can say, because of the diffusion. Now on that day I have told to you diffusion is of 3 types: diffusion of solid, liquid and gases. So these things I have written about the theory of this one. You can see the theory and you can write down in your copies. After this one theory, this is a theory and various questions are also coming from this one. Diffusion in gases. As I have told to you that if we are putting the perfume in a one room, the smell of it go in a second room because of diffusion. Okay, diffusion in solids. Next we are telling about if a mother is making anything in the kitchen, any dish in the kitchen, they smell it going into the room or in the lobby. It means because of the diffusion. Second, next one is when we putting a potassium permanganate in a beaker. Slowly the solid particle loses. When the fully solid particles are loses, then the color, white color, is changed into the purple color. So this is a diffusion in gases, solids and liquids. As diffusion in liquids, I have tell you about potassium permanganate. Diffusion in solids I have told to you about